Welcome to Define. In today's episode, we will go through clauses and phrases. We will be creating new sentences using only clauses and phrases listed here. Discuss the errors, and in the process understand as much as we can about these two concepts of the English grammar. Before we dive right in, let's be on the same page about what these terms are. Clauses are defined as a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate. Okay, Tom ran. This is a clause then. It has a subject, Tom, and a predicate, ran. Simple enough to understand the concept of a clause. But this is also a sentence.
We will circle back to this in some time.
There are two types of clauses, dependent clauses and independent clauses. Dependent clauses are not considered sentences and does not express a complete thought. Let's look at an example. Because she was tired. This seems to be leaving without answering the question, what happened because she was tired? Maybe another example can verify if this is the pattern for dependent clauses. When the sun sets. For this example, the unanswered question is, what happens when the sun sets? So that's dependent clauses. One or more questions are unanswered. An independent clause can be sentences and completes a thought. That means our example from earlier, Tom ran, is an independent clause. There could be more details added here, like where did he ran to or who did he ran from, etc. But this is a sentence and convey one complete thought. Now to phrases. Phrases convey a specific idea, but do not contain a subject or a predicate. Neither can they stand alone or convey one complete idea. Let's see an example. The tall brown-haired man. This is describing a man. It has no verbs and therefore seems more like a title of a story or a movie rather than a complete sentence. Running through the park. Who is running? It's not mentioned here. This seems to be the later part of a complete thought or a sentence. Hold on a second. Tom ran through the park.
Or,
Tom is running through the park. So, phrases are groups of words which, when added to other groups of words or sentences, provide specific information. But phrases themselves are not sentences and can only be used along with other groups of words or sentences to form a complete idea. Nominal phrases. Group of words that act as noun in a sentence. The tall brown-haired man. How do I use this in a sentence? Let's see. The tall brown-haired man entered the store.
or,
it was a tall brown-haired man. So, nominal phrases are used as a subject or object of a sentence, just like a noun. So then, verbal phrases are used as a verb in a sentence. Tom is running through the park, as a verb and its object if it's included. So, nominal phrases and verbal phrases can be combined to form one complete sentence, a complete thought. So, what is prepositional phrase? How is that useful then? Prepositional phrases are groups of words that starts with a preposition followed by its object. Under the table, I can add this at the end of a sentence. A simple sentence, as in, he sat under the table. In the middle of the night, where do I place this in a sentence? The tall brown-haired man is running through the park in the middle of the night. Now that we are on the same page about clauses and phrases, let's create some sentences based on these examples. She walked to the store because she was tired. Logically, this sentence doesn't make sense, unless we add, she walked to the store because she was tired of driving,
or,
of something else. Of is a preposition and driving is the object of that preposition. That makes this a prepositional phrase. So, in our previously created sentence, we were only missing a prepositional phrase. Interesting. Let's look at another. Let's try phrases this time. A bouquet of fresh flowers was given after the meeting. Was given is a group of words used as a verb in this sentence. Hence, it's safe to say that this sentence was missing a verbal phrase. In summary, we can use a nominal phrase and a verbal phrase together to form a complete sentence. We can also use prepositional phrase to add details to an already complete sentence or a thought. While independent clauses can be used as is, the dependent clauses need an independent clause to complete a thought. There is a combination we missed, though. Can you try this combination by yourself? If you have understood the lesson in this video, it should be easy. Make sure to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channels and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.